Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox cannot upload avatars. So let's get straight into the video. So there are multiple different reasons why you will be facing this problem. In today's video, we're going to be discussing 10 of these problems. So all you need to do is firstly check your Roblox server status. You want to simply go to status.roblox.com and check if there are any outages. And if there are, then wait for Roblox to fix it. If that is not the case, simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try restarting your router or switching networks if you want to. The other thing you want to do is refresh and try again. So refresh the avatar editor, wait a few minutes and try uploading again. If that is not the case, check the avatar file requirement. Use supported file types, PNGs for images. Images also must be square, so 512 by 512 is recommended, and file size must be under 10 MBs. Also, if that doesn't work, simply try clearing your cache and cookies or try a different browser and disable the browser extensions. If not, update the Roblox app and then check account restrictions. If not working, simply go to roblox.com/support and submit a ticket. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you.